Hello everybody and welcome to the video notes for Unit 4, Day 27. Today's video is dedicated to Kiara in 6B. Hi Kiara. In our opening exercise, we had these diagrams with each of these square tables and we were putting chairs around those tables. And the pattern that we figured out was the number of square tables, that's how many we could fit on one side of the rectangle. So if there's 50 tables, we could fit 50 chairs on one side, and then 50 chairs on another side. And then we would always have the 2 chairs at the ends. So the pattern that we figured out, it was 2 times however many square tables there was, so like 2 times 50, plus the 2 tables at the end. And that's how you can figure out how many chairs you can fit around the rectangle altogether. So our pattern was 2 times t, if t is the number of tables, plus 2. In this situation, to figure out how many seats there was, we needed to use multiplication and addition. All the problems that we were working with today, you're going to use multiplication. So I want you to put a multiplication at the top of your paper, and, write the word and, a big plus sign, and addition. So always think with each of these problems, we're using multiplication and addition. Let's read the first problem together. Mountain Mike's has a special offer on pizzas. They are each $4. Let's go ahead and underline $4. That's going to be some important information we're going to use. And they charge $2 to deliver. Let's underline the $2 because we're going to use that information too. So there's the $2 to deliver regardless of how many pizzas are ordered. Determine the cost for various numbers of pizzas, and also determine the expression that describes the cost of having P pizzas delivered. Let's go to this table first. So if we only ordered one pizza, right, we would have the one pizza, and it would cost $4, because each pizza costs $4. So we have 4 times 1. I'm going to use this multiplication symbol, the little dot. 4 times 1. That's just for the pizza, but also remember that there's a $2 delivery fee. So we're going to have to add the $2 delivery fee at the end. And then so from here, 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. And then, if there were 2 pizzas, it's $4 per pizza times the number of pizzas, so 2 pizzas. That would give us 8. And then there's still the delivery fee, so we have to add the $2 for the delivery fee. And then altogether, we would get 4 times 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. Let's keep going. If there's 3 pizzas, $4 per pizza, times the number of pizzas, times 3 pizzas, plus the delivery fee. Oh, I used the wrong color. That's all right. And then, so 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. Okay, so now that I've gotten you started with how we're going to set up each of these, I want you to pause and then try filling out the rest of this table on your own. And at the bottom, what would you do if it was P pizzas? Okay, so let's pause. Try this table on your own. And now you are resuming the video to check your work. Let's see if we got this table all right. So 4 pizzas, it's 4 pizzas times $4 each, plus the $2 delivery fee. 4 times 4 is 16, 16 plus 2 is $18. 10 pizzas, $4 each pizzas times the 10 pizzas, plus the $2 delivery fee. So that's 4 times 10, which is 40, plus 2, which is 42. 2 gold stars if you got that one. 50 pizzas, $4 per pizza times the 50 pizzas plus the $2 delivery fee. 4 times 50 is 200. 200 plus 2 is $202 for 50 pizzas. 2 gold stars if you got that one. So if we have P pizzas, the way that we can write this is 4 times P, which is 4P, plus the delivery fee, which is $2. And we can use this expression right here to figure out any number of pizzas. If you got that, 3 gold stars for you. Let's look at the 2 questions on the left here, starting with this one right here. What mathematical operations did we need to perform to find the total cost? Well, in each of these, we had multiplication, and we used addition. Multiplication and addition. Now let's look at this bottom question. If Mr. Ian wanted to buy 1 pizza for each 6th grader, how much would it cost? And here I'm telling you that there are 87 6th graders. So that would mean I would need 87 pizzas. So pause and try this real quick on your own right here. This problem, if I wanted to buy 87 pizzas, how much would that cost me? Use this expression right here. Let's try that. Now you are resuming the video to check your work. Remember that our expression was 4p plus 2, where p is the number of pizzas. So if we use the number 87 instead of p, we would have 4 times 87, that's how many pizzas, plus the $2 delivery fee. And you can use a calculator. I'm going to grab a calculator real quick. Okay, let's check it out. We can do 4 times 87, which is 348, plus 2, which would give me 350. So all this is going to be equal to $350. If you got that all on your own, 3 gold stars for you. And before we flip the page, today's secret word is gold. Not bronze, not silver. Gold is the secret word. Let's turn the page. Now we're at the top of page 3. This is at the top of page 3. We're going to do this one right here. This is what I'm going to be looking for when I check your notes for today. Let's read the problem. If the pizza price was raised to $5, okay, let's underline that so we can remember. So now each pizza costs $5, and the delivery price was raised to $3. Let's underline this math clue. So now I know I'm going to have to pay $3 no matter what. Create the table that shows the total costs of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pizzas. We're also going to include the expression that describes the new cost of ordering P pizzas. Okay, so you're going to do most of this on your own. I'm just going to remind you here that each pizza costs $5, so it's $5 for every pizza that you order, and you're always going to have to pay the $3 delivery fee no matter what. So I'm going to leave it to you to fill out the rest of this table. And when you're done, you can raise your hand and I'll check your work and give you your ticket.